HTML5 and CSS3 have a combined 140 colors defined by name. I've included a color chart for you to download so that you can have a complete reference of the 140 predefined colors. You're not strictly confined to these 140 predefined colors though. You can represent colors in HTML and CSS by 3-digit hex, 6-digit hex, or RGB and RGBA. Let's take a look at green for example. Green by RGB definition is 0, 255, 0, and can be expressed as RGB 0, 255, 0. The values for red, green, and blue range from 0 to 255, making a total of 256 possibilities for each of the primary colors. This means that there are 256 raised to the third, or almost 17 million color combinations possible. Most modern browsers are capable of displaying at least 16,384 different colors, so the nearest match will be displayed. If you enter a color as an RGB, your browser will automatically convert it to what we call a 6-digit hex, or 3-byte hexadecimal. Hexadecimal is a base 16 number, as opposed to our conventional base 10. In base 10, numbers go from 0 to 9, totaling 10 different characters. Hexadecimal counts them from 0 to 9, and then starts at A and goes to F, totaling 16 different characters. Counting in hexadecimal is similar to counting in base 10, in that once you max out the ones digit, it increments the tens digit and then starts over. Using 2 digits, a total of 16 squared or 256 combinations are possible. This is why RGB color value ranges from 0 to 255. You can enter the 6-digit hex values straight into HTML or CSS if you choose. There are 16 to the third, or 4,096 colors that can be expressed in 3-digit hex values as well. Those are also acceptable color value inputs. 3-digit hex becomes 6-digit hex values by repeating each digit once. For example, 060 is equivalent to 006600, and 1FA is equal to 11FFAA. There really could be an entire course on counting in different number bases, so I'll leave it at that and hope I haven't confused you too much. For now, try to stick to predefined colors from the handout and only get adventurous once you become more comfortable. I will only use predefined colors when using HTML and CSS for the rest of this course.